And it's the following morning, people, part 2. Here he goes. And we're just taking it off. Just be careful taking off.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter about those bits, but just where the edges are, son. Let's see if we've done good. I think we've done good.
Yeah.
Hopefully you can see like the handle bit is like a darker colour, just slightly darker.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping Daddy has.
Don't have sharp enough nails to get the rest off.
Mum with her nails, people.
Tape off.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, it's a lot to that blue tape. I'm trying to get these edges. You see the edges? I think I've done okay, people. I think I've done okay.
Oh, wait, David. That was maybe a bit fast.
Take your time, just take your time. That's it, guys. Take your time.
Whoa.
Nice.
Satisfying.
Satisfying. Look. How satisfying is that, Sunny boy? Here's a wee Bailey dog, guys. It's coming away, guys. Look, it's coming away.
Now we're going to have to put it all back together.
I think I've actually done a good job, guys. I'm not really seeing blue.
Except
Thing
for,
is, guys, we don't want them to look too perfect
Yeah, there's
either.
a tiny bit there.
Yeah, we'll touch up. We'll get all that little bits.
Yeah.
Even the pros have to touch up, guys.
This is how you know this is the handle, so you don't hold up there and try and pull the trigger.
Yeah, I'm just really hoping I've got this bit right. I should have.
Wait, where's the trigger guard thing?
Oh, good question. I'll go and get it, son.
Oh.
That is wicked,
Oh,
son.
I'm proud of this.
Well done, my boy, yeah.
Now I need to find all the right screws.
Yeah, just get all that screwed in, son. There he goes.
No, too big.
Yeah, I think that's the...
Or is it these ones? No, those are... Okay, these...
See, this is all good, guys. This is how you get to know it. It's like a car as well. It's how you get to know it. Sometimes you take bits apart, have a look. Yeah, so a tiny little touch up here and there, guys. But we are looking really, really good.
Just trying to find out where the other bits are.
Yeah. He's doing it all himself, guys. Look, check it out. Doing it all himself. That is looking really nice. That is looking really, really nice. I like it. Yeah, and I can't quite remember how you do that, but
I completely do remember.
you remember. I don't.
Hi.
There she goes. Look, she's alive. It's alive. It's alive. She is looking wicked. Look at that.
Very nice.
Oh, that is really, really nice. That is really, really nice. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah, so guys, I think the only bit, just a little bit of blue there, as you can see. We'll get that later on, though.
Time to put the stock on.
Let's get the stock on. Let's see, I can't remember how you do it, is it not?
Just press of a button.
That's it.
That's it on its lowest. I display it like that, but
It
I
can't
just
go
pull
right
it
out,
out
can it?
like that.
Wicked. Nice, really, really nice. Right, let's get the pump part on. Nice, so yeah, Dave's just getting last that blue tape off for the shotgun. Now we'll get the M4 put back together again. We are looking good, young Bales. We are looking good. Oh, yes. Much better, eh, guys? Much better. Really nice. Right.
Get off.
So yeah, last bit, guys. Look, you see that bit of blue just right there? That's what we're looking for. And we'll just cover over the gun like that. Just put it in a certain place, and we shall touch it up. That's the mag going into the sniper rifle. That's fine. But we've already seen the sniper rifle out in action, so I think we'll take the shotgun up, eh, son? We'll see how that
Shotgun
works.
and the Glock.
And the Glock, yeah.
And we have to remember to bring the speedo loader.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's
The zoomer.
the zoom.
It's on 10 yards, and then you can move it up to like set 150 yards.
Yeah, remember, guys, this is the beginner stuff for David. John, in the future we'll get some
And then
bigger and better.
here, you just twist it, but makes it blurry.
Makes it a bit blurry. It depends.
And there's another bit for zooming.
Right, so we've now got a couple of these halogen lights of our own now, so I'm giving this back to my mates. But obviously, guys, don't give it back dirty, do we? And not working properly. So I'm just going to change this bulb and make sure everything's working okay. So let's see, both of them working now. Oh yeah! These are bright. Now these things, guys, are older halogen as opposed to the LED. And I'll tell you something though, guys, they don't cost a lot in electricity, and what a heat. I couldn't keep my hand there for long, that's starting to get a bit hot. It's okay. So both of them, what a heat. And see if you leave those on, man alive. But you've also got to let them cool down as well a little bit. And awesome, have to get some of them for us at some point. But no, we found one at the recycling centre actually. Its switch was broken, so I just bypassed the switch and now we've got our own. So I'll give these back. Yeah, we're running out of time. We were supposed to maybe take stuff up to make a fire, son, but we just don't have time. So what we're going to do is just go up and test out the shotgun, see what it's like.
And the Glock.
And the Glock again, just for fun. Well guys, it's a little bit miserable out, but me and Davs are Scotsmen, aren't we, son?
Yeah.
Let's do this thing. Yeah, it's a little bit grim out just now, as you'll see. But this is January in Scotland.
Yeah.
I wish they'd left this bridge open for motorbikes, though, eh?
Yeah.
They could have made a little way for us, but no, the bridge is going to, I think my huge lorry would just collapse now.
Yeah, it's like...
Oh, river's up high, son. Yeah, the river is up high. Yeah, so I think what we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to fire the shotgun into the ground here, hey son? We'll just see how it goes. So that goes in. Go for the pump, son. Right. Try it.
I don't think it's loaded properly.
Right, I think we've got it now, guys. Did I make up another one for you? Is that the loaded one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, guys, with these shells, David will fire it into the ground just now. But you pop in, I think it's probably about
5.
about 5 BBs, you press into the cartridge. And here he goes. Go for it, son, into the ground.
Oh.
There we go. Yep. Cool.
3.
Right, so close range shot with the shotgun, people. This won't be easy.
The safety on then.
Miss.
Yeah, that.
But it came out though, at least. Yay! Yes!
I want to do a real close up.
Oh.
That is some damage. Another close up. That's what the BB in there. Huh.
There's no BB in that one, was there?
Yeah.
Right, so show you how to load the shotgun. Now, you can't just press them in, but we're using a speed loader, so here we go.
You make sure to put it all the way up.
Now, there seems to be just 2 left each time.
Yeah.
That we're taking back out. Oh, we're down here. We'll put them back in. That's another one done. And
Last
you can put them on
one.
there. Speed load again. So 1 press and it always leaves you 2.
Well,
That's okay.
One.
That's fine.
There.
Yeah, that's it. So that's all 4 up and done now, look.
Fire.
Yay! Nice. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Just off you pump it till the 2 come out.
Nice. 2 did come out. Pretty wicked, son. Pretty wicked. Very nice indeed. So that's the shotgun, you guys.
And the Glock, but we forgot the gas in the
Forgot the
car.
gas. I thought David had taken it. David thought I took it, but it's in the car. But yeah, it's done really well. And look, check it out. Woo-hoo-hoo! Eh? What a thing. We have to go, guys. It is getting cold. It's getting cold and we're really beginning to lose light now. It might not look like it in the camera, so let's get back to the house. So guys, I've left the chainsaw outside by mistake and it's all wet. And so I've put it on top of the fire here, make it dry out really good, and then we'll maybe give it a wee service. Guns are all sitting, we'll get them all back up the stairs, eh, Bells? No. And I think, are you a hungry man? You want some food? Are you wanting some food? See if he's wanting some food. Where's your wee boy? He's out. You want some food? Oh, no, he's off somewhere. He's on a mission. He's on a mission. Hey, you on a mission, son? Hey, look at this dog, what a cracker you are. Yeah, so we've got some worms for Spike, which Bailey loves looking at. Eh? Oh, where is he? Is he coming through yet?
No, he's hiding under the table. I don't know why.
David's getting really into football now. Dad used to play football all the time when I was younger.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking good.
Here comes the little
Here he comes. Hello, son.
No.
You want some food? What's this? He knows what that is. See, I'm looking at it like...
Really? No.
Bailey, just get back from it, darling. Come on. Let's see if we can just make him work for it. Look. There we go. We'll just pop it over there. Off he goes. Get back exercise, Spike. Good boy. Oh. You see it? You have to kind of point sometimes. Look. That's how he knows. There we go, son. Alright, me and David are going to try these worms fishing, aren't we, son?
Yeah.
Look at them. Awesome. She's obviously so interested. Sorry guys, I will get around to changing that radiator one day. She's so interested, aren't you, Bells? See what Spike's up to. Tell you, some of those worms don't smell nice, Spike, but I'm sure you enjoy them. Well, here she goes, guys, the other member of BFF. Bailey, come on, come on. I know, it's just what to see. Oh, is it your mum, son? Eh? That's your mummy.
I want something to eat.
You wanting something to eat, or Yams?
I'm hungry.
I know. Could cook Spike, but that wouldn't do, Emily. She wouldn't be full, would you?
No, that'd be like a tiny little
That's
snack.
like a little snack, aren't you, Spike?
It's barely little.
You
there's
never do that. That would be your mum,
Him, that'd be
man.
like a tiny amount of fat.
He's a lovely boy. Yeah. You're just perfect. So as always, guys, I mean, he's quite happy with us, but you've got to give him his escape route. Look. So you'll pass the airsoft guns and up his bit there, he'll be fine, eh, son? He seems to be quite happy sitting there. And the thing is, he's expecting there might be more food, you see. That's the plan. And it's like, he's kind of turned and he's just looking at Emily. I wonder what's up with him. What are you thinking, Spike? What are you thinking about? What's going on in that wee brain of yours? Eh? You looking at your mummy? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Eh? Nah, he's seen his way home. Looks, I think he's off. Away he goes. And now we'll do his jump, hopefully. Hopefully I get to see his jump.
Or if he wants to go up, or he just wants to go over there.
Yeah, see, I don't know what he's up to.
Yeah,
Going home?
we never really know. When he goes over there, he stays down much longer. When he's over here, he wants to go back.
I love that boy, don't we, Spike? Eh? You gonna go home? Yeah, he's kind of looking at me. I think he's just wondering if there is still any food on the go. Let's make sure that it can't fall through the middle. I was going to make a little ramp for him. I'll have to get onto that one day when we've got a spare wee while. Yeah, make a ramp.
Maybe just the pillows are good because it gives him grip.
Yeah. I'll tell you, when we move into a bigger house, I'm going to make you sun pad. Let me tell you. And I think we'll get you a wife. Yeah, we'll have baby ones.
Give him his own room.
I know, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? He has got a major bachelor pad going on here. I tell you. Hey, we built him a fair old place and he goes, oh, yeah, got it. So you see...
He just wants to sit there.
Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. There you go, son.
Don't forget your butt.
Oh, he has got water. He's okay.
Don't forget your butt.
Yeah, don't forget your tail. You don't forget your tail, son. So this is his cooler side. So he's got his bath in here, his swimming pool as we call it. He's got his hammock up top. He likes to go in there to hibernate when it's cold. Now he's on his hot side. And for those of you who don't know, reptiles really need heat and light to digest food and stuff, you know, obviously.
They're more from warmer places.
Yeah. So I think it is 16% humidity. What's that, 28 degrees? It's in there just now. It's pretty hot.
28.3 degrees.
It's just nice for
We
him.
would be melting in that. We're
Yeah.
right here.
And he's got his heat lamp, which is very hot, and he's got a pad underneath there that's a heat blanket. Nice and cosy, yeah. We'll leave you to it, Spike. And you sleep it off. So this is our little chainsaw. We've actually only got one. And it's heavy enough, you know, but we don't really do enough to really justify having a big one. But it does need sharpened. It does need a bit serviced. Look, it's a bit loose, so I'll tighten that up. Give this a wee sharpen as well before we use it.
I haven't had anything since lunch.
She's hungry.
That was 6 hours ago.
Yeah, so we'll give it a little bit of service. It's a 2-stroke, so it needs 2-stroke oil as well, obviously. But this is going to cut Emily's gate posts tomorrow, and they are really, really thick, so we have to use a chainsaw for that. Yeah, I think I'll maybe do this tomorrow because all the stuff's in the car, you know, to get all this stuff done. But that should look really, really good, eh, guys? Yeah. So back to Emily's horsey field again. And obviously I've got the stuff. I'm really hoping to get a fair chunk of it done next week. I want this done within the next couple of weeks, and that'll be awesome. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hey, loads and loads of videos coming up. We've obviously got lots and lots of videos online at the moment, so you kind of see the kind of stuff we're sharing now. You know, it's caravanning, camping, fishing. Of course, the horses are coming up, Airsoft and the kids' channels, so that'll be awesome. And obviously we're really going to try and develop our Barney Family Live this year as well, which will be awesome. Anyway, so thanks again, guys.